Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best RatX is probably one of the most effective and humane solutions available on the market today for tackling rodent infestations, offering a unique approach that targets the specific needs of both pest control professionals and concerned homeowners alike. This innovative product stands out due to its carefully formulated ingredients designed to eliminate rats and mice quickly and efficiently, without the harsh chemicals often associated with traditional rodenticides, making it a preferred choice for those seeking a more responsible and less toxic method to regain control of their living spaces. Its ease of use and proven track record further solidify its position as a top contender for anyone dealing with the persistent problem of unwanted guests in their homes or businesses, ensuring peace of mind and a cleaner environment. Number 5. Exterminators Choice Heavy-Duty Mouse Bait Station Kit. Introducing a robust solution for managing indoor and outdoor critters. This kit offers a secure key-lock design, making it ideal for effective rat bait box applications. These stations are compatible with a broad array of rodenticides, supporting various management strategies. They easily accommodate different bait forms, serving effectively as outdoor rat bait boxes. Each station includes a dependable locking system to prevent access by children or pets. Their subtle black design ensures they blend seamlessly into any environment, maintaining discretion. Crafted for diverse settings, these bait stations are suitable for kitchens, garages, and tool sheds. Their sturdy construction also makes them ideal for gardens and lawns. Despite their compact size, these stations are effective against large critter infestations. They are perfect for both residential and commercial use, providing a reliable management solution. What we like. This bait station offers a robust solution for critter control in both indoor and outdoor settings. Its secure key-lock design ensures safety for children and pets while maintaining effectiveness. If you need a versatile and durable option for various locations around your home or property, this is a great choice. What people say. It fits one block of insta-kill poison blocks. They are small, so designed for that size rodents. I like that they are small, so not visible nearly as much. My noisy mouse was no longer making racket and getting into things within a couple of days. Number 4. Exterminators Choice Compact Mouse Bait Station, 12-pack. Tackle mouse problems effectively with this powerful tool. This 12-pack is perfect for both professionals and homeowners needing a reliable solution. Manage different types of bait with ease thanks to the included rod and tray. These stations adapt to various environments for efficient control. Keep children and pets safe with the lockable design. A key is included for simple and secure maintenance. It ensures peace of mind. Its low-profile design blends in anywhere, offering discreet control. These stations work effectively even during the harsh winter months. Built to last, these stations withstand tough weather for reliable outdoor use. They ensure long-lasting performance in any setting. What we like. This pack provides a powerful tool for managing mouse activity with a generous quantity. The compact and discreet design allows for effective control even during challenging winter months. If you are looking for a cost-effective solution for ongoing mouse control, especially in outdoor areas, this 12-pack is ideal. What people say. I was able to put a poison block inside them and put them out, and they do have evidence of being accessed, so that's a plus. Great bait station. Our dog has tried a couple times to chew them open and they are holding strong. These work great to keep rodents out before they get in. Number 3. Exterminators Choice Large Rat Bait Station Box. Protect your home and garden from unwanted pests. This commercial-grade bait box is expertly designed for effective management by professionals. Place these heavy-duty bait stations indoors or outdoors. They are perfect for kitchens, garages, tool sheds, lawns, and even large warehouses. This bait station is compatible with all mouse baits. It serves as a reliable holder for your chosen bait. Constructed with a discreet green color, it blends seamlessly with natural settings. It features a secure lock system to keep children and pets safe. This weather-resistant outdoor bait station is built to last. Its heavy-duty construction ensures reliable performance in various conditions. The lockable holder provides an added layer of security. Its discreet green color helps it blend into its surroundings. What we like. This large bait station is designed for efficient rat control in a variety of settings, from kitchens to lawns. Its heavy-duty, weather-resistant construction and discreet green color help it blend into natural environments. If you need a durable and effective solution for outdoor rat management that is also safe for children and pets, consider this option. What people say. Hard case. Thick plastic. Secure lock. Bait doesn't get out. The flexibility to use cubes or pellets or the sausages is wonderful. The trick with the key is that you need to press down firmly into the slot then twist. It won't open without pressing down firmly. Number 2. Exterminators Choice Large Rat Bait Stations, 2-pack. Keep unwanted vermin out of your home and yard with these large bait stations. Designed by professionals, they are ideal for any household needing effective rat control. Place these bait stations anywhere you have a rodent problem. They are perfect for kitchens, garages, sheds, lawns, and even large warehouses. These large bait boxes work with most types of mouse and rat baits. They are designed to hold bait effectively for rodent management. The green color helps them blend in with grass and shrubs. A secure lock and key system ensures safety for children and pets. We offer natural solutions used by professionals for long-lasting, effective pest management. Protect your home without harsh chemicals. What we like. This 2-pack offers a trusted natural control method for your home and yard. Designed by professionals, these heavy-duty bait boxes feature a secure lock and a camouflage green color for discretion. If you are looking for effective rodent management that prioritizes safety for children and pets and blends into your outdoor space, this is a solid choice. What people say. Very sturdy plastic construction. Opening allows for rats mice only, so I don't have to worry about my chickens getting access to bait. The boxes comes with stakes and they haven't blown away. Number 1. EcoClear RatX Bait Discs 4 pounds, bucket. Introducing the EcoClear RatX Bait Discs, a ready-made and effective solution for rodent removal. It's perfect for use in various locations like sheds, barns, and industrial buildings. Unlike traditional methods, these discs contain no conventional poisons. This means there's no risk of secondary poisoning to pets or other non-target animals. Using them is incredibly easy. The discs work perfectly in our RatX bait stations or any similar bait boxes you might have. Our patented blend of food-grade ingredients creates an attractive taste and scent. This draws in rats, making it a highly effective lure. Formulated with naturally derived ingredients, this product is proudly made in the USA. It's a great choice for both professional pest control and DIY use. What we like. This option provides an all-natural, poison-free, and humane solution for rat and mouse removal. It's perfect for use in sensitive areas like livestock facilities or where secondary poisoning is a concern. If you are looking for an effective yet gentle method to manage rodents without conventional poisons, these bait discs are an excellent choice. What people say. The rats took to this bait like a buffet bar. It's totally safe and amazingly effective. I love the fact it won't poison any other critter including birds. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.